Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for converting MD files, Markdown tables, Markdown files with tables in it into XLS, its old Excel format. So on my computer I have an MD file. I can open it into Notepad just to show you what is inside, and inside is table with columns on top and data in it, and I will be converting this table into Excel with application. I will download and install from my website. This is my website. I will leave link on the site into description. To find app, I will click on search and type Markdown, and I need this page Markdown to convert Markdown table, and I need a Markdown table to XLS. I'll click on it, click on download, and wait until archive will be downloaded. I will be recording more videos on Markdown files, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. We are waiting for archive to be downloaded in a second. And I click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, so I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install, click yes, and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut here on my desktop. Now I can close this, and this. And double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, we'll have to select Markdown files. We can select one or many Markdown files if you want to have like them into Excel. So I'll click to this button to select input files. Navigate to my states MD, click open, click on next. Here I can select columns I would like to put into Excel file from Markdown. I can select them all and click on next step. And on final step, I'll click run to select XLS file. It's asking me for name and location of the file. This name and location is okay. Just click save. And you can see file has been saved. Let's go and see file. I don't have Excel on my computer, but I have Excel mobile. It's like free version of Excel showing what is inside, and I'm not allowed to change anything, but it's free version from Microsoft. If you have like full-scale Excel, you will be able to see this. But you can see it creates one tab with the name of the file and with the data from the file. So everything is here from Alabama to Wyoming. Yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. This application, I can also run this application from command line, and if I want to create bat file, then I can convert everything, all files from the folder into Excel or something like this. If you'd like to see more videos like this, more application like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.